A gas has a volume of 0.75 liters at a pressure of 1.2 atmospheres. What will be the volume when the pressure is decreased to 0.85 atmospheres? So those are my three given values, and the question is asking what will be the volume. So we're looking for a volume. So let's think about what information we have. We have a gas with a volume and a pressure, so we have a starting point. So our starting points are always going to be our 1 values. So this is going to be our V1, and this is going to be our P1. And then the volume that we're trying to find is going to be the volume after a change has occurred. So that's going to be our V2, and the second pressure we have is going to be our P2. So the variables we have are V1, which is 0.75 liters, P1, which is 1.2 atmospheres. We also have a V2, which is what we're looking for, that's our question mark, and we have a P2, which is 0.85 atmospheres. Since we're dealing with volume and pressure, the formula I'm going to need is this one. P1 V1 equals P2 V2. So I'm just going to substitute in all my numbers. So I have 1.2 times 0.75 is equal to 0.85 times our V2 we don't know, so that's just going to be X. So I need to multiply these two numbers over here to make this a little bit simpler. So 1.2 times 0.75 gives me 0.9, and that's equal to 0.85 times X. To get the X by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.85. Those are going to cancel out. And when I divide those numbers, I get 1.06 is my X. And our units, since we're solving for volume, will be liters.